Chapter 16. Water. Introduction. Water plays an important role in our day-to-day life. We need water for various purposes such as drinking, cleaning, cooking, washing, irrigating fields, and generating electricity. 70% of our body is made up of water. Plants and animals also need water for sustaining their life. So, we can say that life is not possible without water. We celebrate 22nd March as World Water Day. It was first observed in 1993. The day is celebrated to focus on the importance of water and the need to preserve it. Forms of water. Water exists in three forms: solid, liquid, and gas. All the three forms are interchangeable. The molecules in solid water, ice, are close together and almost motionless. The molecules in liquid water are far apart and move about freely. The molecules in water vapor move about violently and bump into one another. How much water is available? Our Earth is surrounded by 71% of water. That is why it is also called the blue planet. Water present on the Earth in the form of oceans, rivers, ponds, and streams. 97.4% of the total water on Earth is found in oceans and seas is saline water and neither for human consumption nor for agricultural and industrial use. The remaining 2.6% is fresh water. 2/3 of this water is frozen in glaciers and polar ice caps. Only a small fraction, 0.014% of fresh water is readily available for use by human beings, which is known as potable water. Groundwater. The rainwater flows into the rivers and finally goes into the ocean. But some of the rainwater seeps into the ground and absorbed by the soil is known as groundwater. The groundwater is found deeper and deeper inside the earth, where all the space between the particles of soil and gaps between rocks are filled with water. Water table. The upper level of water under the ground, which occupies all the spaces in the soil and rocks, is called the water table. Groundwater is found below the water table. The run of water from the lakes and rivers, melting snow and rain leads to the formation of water table. Seasonal fluctuations in water table are common phenomena. During summers, the water table goes down. During monsoons, the water table goes up. After heavy showers, huge puddles are formed. Later, a few hours, the puddles are nowhere to be seen. This is because the water seeps into the ground. This process of water seeping into the ground is called infiltration. Aquifers. A large deposit of groundwater stored between the layers of hard rocks beneath the water table is called aquifers. Water in the aquifers can be usually pumped out with the help of tube wells and hand pumps. Depletion of water table. The groundwater can be drawn through the hand pumps, wells, and tube wells. The water table may go down if the groundwater is not sufficiently replenished. The factors which affect the water table are increasing population, increasing industries, agricultural activities, deforestation, and decrease in the effective area for seepage of water.